Now!
You think blood alone makes you king, but you forget who bled to keep this kingdom standing.
Then draw your blade and prove you're right, or kneel and accept the truth.
I discovered another amazing tool that helps you create high-quality cinematic videos like the one you just saw, and guess what? Within this tool, you can access Grok AI for free. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to generate high-quality cinematic scenes like these using Grok AI. So stick with me in this tutorial. Let's get into it. First, go to your browser and type Gemini AI. That is the tool we're using. So you scroll and you see the second option here. Just click on it that has Gemini Gen, and it takes you to this workspace here. Now once you get here, you see this interface and you see how simple and very detailed it looks. It is not complicated at all. So first, let's click on these three dots on the left. When you click on it, you see studio, history, pricing, and the rest. So before you start generating your video, you first of all sign up with your Gmail. This tool allows only Gmail accounts at the moment of recording this video. So if you click on this profile icon, you see my name. It means I'm already signed up, and when you sign up, you are given 10 free credits. But guess what? We're not going to be using our free credit, because in this tool you can actually access Grok AI. That is a model within this tool that we'll be using to generate our video for free. To start creating our video, click on Studio and it takes you to this interface. So when you scroll down, you would see this space that has Grok. If you scroll to the left, you would see Google AI, that's VO3. You will see Meta AI. You would see several other options around this place. So but for this video generation, we're going to be selecting Grok AI. So make sure that Grok is highlighted, and then we'll start generating. So once you select Grok, you come down, you see that under this model, what you have highlighted is Grok and it's written free. The next step is to click on select image. Once you click on it, it takes you to this space where we can click select files and then click on photo library. This takes us directly to our photo library where we're going to select an image from the ones I'll be using as a sample in this tutorial. So I'll just select one image and you can see that image has uploaded here. Now we're going to leave the generation mode at custom, and then we'll scroll down to paste our prompt. So whatever prompt it is you have, if you want your characters to speak, you input that. If you want to learn how to generate scenes with dialogues, you can watch my other videos on my channel to get that. So here we're not going through the process of generating a script, prompt, and all of that. I want this video to be as straightforward as possible. So since I already have my script for what I want my character to do, I'm going to paste it in the description box. And then where you have orientation, we're going to choose landscape. So ensure that if your image is generated as landscape, ensure that when you come to this tool, you select landscape. If your image is selected as portrait, ensure to select portrait. If you do otherwise, you may not get any good results. So once we select landscape, you scroll. We're going to leave it as standard, and we're going to leave it as 6 seconds duration. Once we have all of that set up, we're going to click on generate with Grok. It takes us to this space where we have to verify you are human. So just click in the space here, verify that you're human. Once that is successful, you scroll down, you see that your video has started generating. Now it is that simple. So if you want to see where your video is generating, scroll down again, you see go to history. So once you click go to history, it takes you to where you see everything you have generated on this particular AI tool. So let's see the video we generated. This is it. Now let's watch it. This is really good. It's cinematic, the action, and it's very clear. The quality is given, and I love it so much. So simply scroll down and click on download, and it downloads directly to our mobile phone. Once we have that sorted out, we'll go back to the workspace where we're going to generate the second scene. So we'll come back here and repeat the same process again. Click on select image. it takes you to this space. Click on photo library. It takes you to your phone's gallery. There you're going to select the second image for the second scene of whatever story you're generating. Once you select the image, you see that it's highlighted here. So next we're going to scroll down, leave it at custom, paste your prompt in the prompt section, go down to orientation, select landscape for your video if you're using landscape. Once you do that, go down, make sure the video is on standard 6 seconds, and then click on generate with Grok. It takes you to this space where you have to verify you are human. Once you do that, your video will start generating. So you give it a few seconds, scroll down, click on go to history, and check to see that the video is generating, and in a very short while the video will be ready.
You think blood alone makes you king, but you forget who bled to keep this kingdom standing.
Tell me how nice this is now. This looks really good. It looks good. I love it. I'm sure you like what you're saying too. So this tool is sweet to use. So this is exactly how you generate cinematic AI movies or storytelling content, and you can see how simple this tool is. Grok AI gave us remarkable results. So follow these exact steps in this video and you won't have any issues at all. So if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to other creators. See you in the next one.